Next type of pain is referred pain. Pain due to problems in other areas manifest in different body part. For example, this cardiac pain may be felt in the shoulder or left arm with or without chest pain. So in this picture you can see the pain occurs at which site. Okay, so for example you can see in this picture if we are having or if the patient is complaining about this shoulder pain, okay, it may associated with it may be associated with gallbladder disease. Okay, and this interscapular pain or the pain in left side of chest radiating to left arm, that is associated with the cardiac pain. Okay, so from the picture it is identifiable where the referred pain occurs. Have a look on it. I will explain it. Lungs pain is referred in a collar like band completely around the neck from about the C6 to T3 levels. Okay, if the patient is having some problems in this picture, it is located where the areas, if the problem is with lungs and diaphragm, sometimes the pain is experienced or the referred pain in a collar like band completely around the neck from about the C6 to T3 levels. And in case of diaphragm also the same type of or same site the referred pain occurs. Heart I have explained already. Pain can be referred to the area around the mouth or but is more commonly referred over the left chest and contiguously down the anterior left arm directly to the mid back between the scapula from T4 to T7. That is, you know well more than me. So it is a central chest pain or left sided chest pain radiating to this left arm, jaw or neck. In that case, or interscapular pain, in that case you have to suspect the patient is having some myocardial injury or it's a cardiac pain. Next, if the patient is having some problem with the gallbladder, the pain is referred to superior and lateral right shoulder, offset, superior similar in size and circular shape to the superficial distribution of the axillary nerve. In this picture you can see where the pain occurs if the patient is having problems with the gallbladder. Okay. And in case of liver, the pain is referred in a similar pattern to the heart but only on the right hemibody. Okay, that is the difference, only on the right hemibody. Next is stomach. The pain is referred just to the right of midline in the epigastric area and to the mid back just below the referred angina from T7 to T9. Then ovaries. Pain is referred to the skin area immediately over the ovaries, anteriorly and directly posteriorly, but more lateral. Appendix, you know well, pain is referred to McBurney's point in the right hypogastric area. Next is kidneys. In that the pain occurs in the flank region. And in ureters, pain is referred to an anterior band across the pelvis. You may experience some ureteric colic now, Nishma. Okay, so then next is bladder. The pain is referred to a continuous area encompassing the sacrum from S2 down to the upper medial thighs.